Muling binigyan din ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na walang alam ang kanyang administrasyon na kasunduan sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at China hinggil sa usapin ng West Philippine Sea. At ayon sa Pangulo, hindi niya lubos maisip ang ideyang may kasunduan na may isasaalang-alang ang soberanya ng ating bansa. Narito ang kabuuang pahayag ng Pangulo.
We don't know. It is a secret agreement. We don't know anything about it. There is no documentation, there is no record, there is no... We were not briefed when I came into office. Walang nagsabi sa amin na merong ganung usapan. We're trying to really, up to now, because from the former administration, iba-ibang sagot eh. But kung ang sinasabi sa agreement na yan na kailangan tayong magpermiso sa ibang bansa para gumalaw sa ating sariling teritoryo, ay mahirap sigurong sundan yung ganyang klaseng agreement. I am horrified by the idea that we have compromised through a secret agreement the territory, the sovereignty, and the sovereign rights of the Philippines.